For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I am Jyoti. On Monday, India blocked 59 Chinese apps, including the popular viral video app TikTok, over security reasons. Now, I might have told you security reasons, but what exactly Ministry had to say about this? The Ministry said that it received many complaints about mobile apps available on both iOS and Android platforms that have been accused of stealing and transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers that have locations outside India. But this move of the Indian government has disappointed a lot of TikTok users. Before we move any further, let's take a look at some of the reactions.
So many people who come here to express their talent, who have no other space to share their talent because of judgmental people like you. This is and will always be a safe space for a creator. And if it's such a problem to you, delete the freaking app. You don't like it, just don't watch it.
टिकटॉक बैन नहीं हुआ। अगर आप पढ़े लिखे हो, 2 अक्षर जानते हो, अगर आपने अपने स्कूल की फीस बर्बाद नहीं की है, पढ़ना जानते हो, तो जाकर के आप न्यूज़ या इधर उधर से इंफॉर्मेशन लो, तब जाकर के वैलिड रीजन पे बात करो कि किस बात को लेकर के अभी क्या मुद्दा चल रहा है। टिकटॉक बैन नहीं हुआ, टेम्पररी उसको प्ले स्टोर से हटाया गया क्योंकि अभी हाई कोर्ट में वो केस आ रहा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बात जाने वाला है। तो पहले इन्फॉर्मेशन लो, अभी टिकटॉक बैन नहीं हुआ।
ये चीज़ मुझे समझ में नहीं आई दैट अगर चाइना के साथ हमारा वॉर चल रहा है तो सारी चाइनीज़ ऐप डिलीट कर दो, तो हमारे घरों में इतनी सारी चाइनीज़ की चीज़ें तो वो भी निकाल फेंको ना बाहर। तो व्हाट इज़ दिस? तो पहले इतनी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट थी हमारी जो कंट्री में, तो उससे क्या हो जाएगा? अभी इससे क्या हो जाएगा? जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी। अभी मैं ये हैरान हूँ कि लोग हैं जो मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं दैट हाँ आप टिकटॉक बंद हो रहा है, कैसे हो टिकटॉकर्स। तो व्हाट इज़ दिस? मतलब अभी क्या हो जाएगा? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? जितने लोग यहाँ पे बचे हैं, जितना यूथ यहाँ पे बचा हुआ, वो भी बाहर फॉरेन कंट्रीज में चला जाएगा। इससे ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
Well, the TikTokers seemed disappointed with the government's move. The reason behind this is that TikTok had become a source of income for many teenagers. Not just that, but they had also gained celebrity status through these apps, and they had got many followers in millions for that matter. Let's take a look at a few famous Indian TikTokers and their monthly income. Beginning with 17-year-old Riaz Afreen, this man has about 36 million followers on his TikTok account, and he earns about $33,000 per post, that is sponsored post. Moving on to more TikTok users, we have Arishfa Khan, who is also 17 years old, and she has about 24 million followers on her TikTok account, and she also receives about $24,000 per post. This is again the sponsored post. So whatever post I'm talking to you about right now are the sponsored posts that they get paid for. Moving on to Avesh Darbar. He is 24 years old with 27 million followers on his TikTok account, and he gets about $23,000 per post. Moving on to Nisha Guragain, she earns about $23,500 per sponsored post, and she has about 24 million followers on her TikTok account, and she is just 22 years old. Next on the list we have Jannat Zubair, who is just 19 years old, but she earns $23,000 per sponsored post with 24 million followers on her TikTok account. After Jannat Zubair, we also have Samiksha Sood, who has about 22 million followers, and she earns $21,000 per sponsored post, and she is about 29 years old. Now, majority of them are under 30 years of age, and you must be thinking, how on earth are they earning so much at such a young age? Well, let me tell you how they really earn on TikTok. So basically, they have these brands offering them money. So these brands offer money to all the influencers for their promotion. They give them money for their product endorsements. So basically, the more followers you have, the more money and offers you will get. Promoting different projects, for example, currently on TikTok, majority of the TikTokers are promoting Tide. Not just brand endorsements or product endorsements, but these TikTokers, now that they have gained the celebrity status, they also get opportunities to perform in some albums. They feature in many music albums. For example, we spoke about Jannat Zubair. She recently got an opportunity to feature in the album. Not just feature in the album, but she also got to sing in the same music album. In fact, not just Jannat Zubair, but many TikTokers that I have mentioned earlier are part of many music albums. So now these are the ways that they earn money in millions sitting at home just making one video on TikTok. Now you must be wondering, how exactly does TikTok make money in India and how much do they get? So according to economist Sanju Verma, TikTok generated about $457 million in revenues globally, out of which 30% of it was from India. Now this includes in-app purchases, number of downloads, boosters, the promoters and much more that the video making app has to offer to its users. Now, as soon as Government of India declared the ban of 59 apps, including TikTok, a lot of hashtags started trending on Twitter, like hashtag TikTok ban in India, TikTok banned, ban TikTok, and so much more. In fact, the memers started making lots of memes on TikTok and TikTok ban and the TikTok users, and they have been laughing about a lot of TikTok users too. So what do you have to say about this move taken by the Government of India? Do leave your opinions in the comment section. In the meantime, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thank you for watching.